It's very important to have Feethams Darlington supporting the most high-profile event in Darlington, because it's associated with lots of families and lots of people that visit Darlington. So it's very important that we do have a local business supporting Darlington with the light switch on.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Happy Christmas, Darlington!
I've never seen so many people in the market square and in the town centre since I've been involved with the event for the past 10-15 years. Absolutely amazing. Everybody enjoying themselves and just a great atmosphere. And I think it would be great that Feethams Darlington are associated with such an event as today.
This is a fantastic event. We've just had some great performances from a couple of Darlington groups, Leap Beats and Stage Darlington, and we're really pleased to invite them all down.
We've had a great time tonight. We're very grateful that we were invited to come along here to Feethams to join in the festivities as part of the light switch on. We've braved the elements, braved the cold, and so have all these lovely people who've come to join us tonight. We've been running a raffle which has done really, really well. We've used up all of our prizes, so we're hoping that's going to raise close to £100 just tonight. Plus we've been promoting our upcoming events, including our Santa run. We've got lots of people who've said they're going to come along and join us on the day to sign up. So being here, it's been very beneficial to the hospice. It's another way we can raise awareness and let people know that we're here in the town. People can come along and join us and support us and get involved.
It's been great to have entertainment on the podium and also the entertainment in the market square. We look forward to future partnerships, especially all the other events that we've got lined up for 2017.